have DIY products and one is real. Trading board. Trading. Ready for trading. We have plus, X. Yes. This is stop. Another trading board is trading board. Yes, plus stop. No. This is stop, go. Stop, go. Then we got this super long scissor, clickable, and we got this butter, not original name, and also playable for kids. Also fun to make. I took hours for this to make. This is not so long. And a needle. And a tiny keyboard. And another needle. Super squishy. And this white keyboard who has letter I. And we have this black keyboard who has the letter V. We got another keyboard playable. And the final one is dumplings. And we got some waiter. You will wait my food time. We have designed the products. This is the final result. We got the keyboard, trading, we got the squishes, and wait for part 2 for the food.